This one brought to us by Vince. He says, the Chrome extension has a recommended launch budget. Question, does this include COGS and FBA fees? All right, so this is a great question, Vince, and one which I think starts with just looking at the Chrome extension and understanding that you can actually hover over these icons to get a full explanation of what they each mean. So you can always hover and get a full read on what the cost of goods sold or what the launch budget is. And it's basically based on the COGS as 30% of the sales price and enough inventory to stay in stock for 3 months on page 1. So we're taking all of the information that's provided in the niche rater and the Chrome extension, mainly the average price of the products and the monthly sales, and we're able to tell you what it would cost based on those figures to pay for a product at 30%, because typically 30% is what your cost of goods sold should be, and then 30% goes to Amazon for the storage and fulfillment fees, and then 30% should go to you net, and then you have about 10% wiggle room for advertising and additional branding and marketing. So the launch budget does take into account the cost of goods sold. Really, it's just an estimate of what it would cost based on the COGS to stay in stock for 3 months, because we found that 3 months is a good gauge to understand how successful your business is going to be and give you enough time to actually reorder stock if necessary. All right, thanks again, Vince, for asking your question. Guys, if you want to be a part of the question of the week, just comment below. Let us know if you have any burning questions, leave them below, and you could be chosen as our question of the week next week. All right, guys, thanks again. We'll see you next week.